Let's see how to do Patralekhanam in Sanskrit. Shulkakshamartham Pradhanacharyam Pradilikhidam Adodatta Patram Manjushataha Padani Chitva Pureta. Shulkakshamartham, to have some discount in fee. Pradhanacharyam Pradi, to the principal. So the letter is written to the principal, and in Manjusha 5 words are given. The letter should start with Sevayam. Srimantaha Pradhanacharyaha Mahodayaha Raika Maharashtram Vishayaha. Subject of the letter is Shulka Kshamartham Prarthana Patram. So this much is the address. First you have to write Sevayam, then the address, then the subject of the letter. Mahodaya, Sevayam Savinayam dash asti. It's a request. So Nivedanam will come in the first blank. Sevayam Savinayam Nivedanam asti yet mama pita ekaha krishakaha asti. My father is a farmer. Mama parivare pancha dash santi. In my family there are 5 family members. Sadasyaha. Panja sadasyaha santi. Tesham palana poshanam adikadhinam asti. Their livelihood is itself going on very adikadhinam, in very difficult way. Vidyalayasya dash pradhanam tu kadinataram bhavati. Vidyalayasya, the topic of the letter is Shulkakshamartham, right? So Vidyalayasya Shiksha Shulkam Pradhanam tu Kadinadaram Bhavati. So in this situation, to pay fee is very difficult. Dana Bhavena Kadachit Mama Adyayane dash Nasyad. Because I don't have enough money. Kadachit Mama Adyayane, in my studies, dash Nasyad. Something should not happen. What should not happen? Vyavadhanaha, obstacles. Nasyad. Ataha mama prarthana asti yad shiksha shulka dash mojayitva mam anugrinantu. Pradhanat mojayitva. Please excuse me from paying fee and mam anugrinantu, and bless me. Bhavadiyaha shishyaha, your disciple Nareshaha. So Naresha is a student who has written this letter to the principal, and we have filled it using the word